Good morning, guys. It's first hair day and the lighting though. And now I'm off to the venue. Tell me your story. So I just got to CTICC. I don't know if you can see, but there's a whole thing dedicated to them. There's also a Thanksgiving service here. So I'm going to hall number 9. I'm so excited. Like, I've had 3 hours of sleep, but I'm super excited. I don't know why. I don't know, I guess it's the thrill of having like-minded people meeting together and coming together. I don't know, but it's exciting. Also, your girl is vlogging in public, and well, there's not much people, so I guess that's why she's vlogging in public. So yeah, I've been waiting for this day for so long. I'm excited. So let me show you what it looks like. See, no people. That's why I can vlog shamelessly. It's quite pretty though. I've never been in here. There's some interesting stuff going on around. Anyway, guys, at least I know in there I'm not gonna look awkward. So probably vlog when I'm in there. 1 minute late. So guys, I just got here and look at the venue. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Hi, Sheridan. Say hi. Hello. Hi.
Hey, how are you guys?
Good, thanks. Okay, so this is the As I Am stand. I'm just gonna take you guys around just to see everything. It looks very nice, very chic. Oh, this is the Auntie Jackie's stand. This is the ORS stand, if I'm not wrong. Of course, there had to be like some food, popcorn and sandwiches and wraps. Oh my god, like this is so amazing. Hello. So there's someone I'm looking for by the name of Naturals. Let me see. There we go. So there's like a lot of vendors. Let's keep walking. Oh god, I can't believe I'm vlogging in public and not feeling a thing. There's satin pillowcases if you want them. There's cuts, there's Kafui Naturals. And there's Vana. Hello guys. Hi, I'm looking for Stephanie. Hi. Is that you? Hi, I'm good, thank you.
I'm good, thank you. It's so good to
meet you too. Let me show guys what you're doing now.
Yes, please do.
So what's this? This is the...
Yeah, so it's all the batches. It's just 2 different sizes. So
okay.
5 mil and then this is the 100 mil.
Okay.
Yeah.
You see, I'm telling you, like, the thing has not come back.
Let's see.
It's not that. You can see, like, there's a mark, but it's not come back.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Are you still using it?
It's done.
Oh, you need to buy some more.
I will buy some more. Actually, came with money for that.
Awesome.
Yeah. Okay, so just showing them around.
Yeah.
As I came to say hi, because I don't think I'll be able to leave the stand. Yeah. Nice meeting you.
Same here.
There's Vani Camp and there's Afro Pride. Very beautiful things. And then let me show you one brand that looks really cool. I like the setup of everything. Now let me just show you the setup. So you have the small vendors in there. In here you have the smaller, oh, we have the perfect hair in here. Guys, can you see? Yeah, you have the perfect hair there. And then you have the smaller vendors like at the back. And you have the bigger vendors out there. So all this is just places where people can sit. And trust me, it's gonna be full. Because yeah, people are not allowed to come in. This is the My Natural Hair Kids stand. Oh my god, it looks amazing. It looks so nice and inviting.
Welcome.
It looks so nice. Oh my god, the child in me is literally excited.
Yeah,
I've got a nice costume.
No.
I know you guys. I do know you guys. From Instagram. No, the twins.
Hi. How are you?
Sorry for being so awkward, but I'm like, I don't meet people that I see on Instagram.
Okay, makes sense. Same.
Really? Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Can my sister say hi? Hi. Good, thanks, and you?
Good, thank you.
You look nice.
Thank you.
And then I think this is my Naturawl big children, but they look really cool. So yeah, that's the entrance. And then ooh, this is a Cape Town curly shirt t-shirt collection. Hi, I'm just showing them the t-shirts that you guys have. I like the print, it looks really nice. Thank you. Yeah, so that basically is what it looks like. So guys, book your tickets for next year. So we are officially changed into our t-shirts. So we look nice and high. We look nice and as I am,
Yes,
as we are.
as I am, guys.
Yep.
As I am.
And the music is
Popping.
yep. There's a DJ right there. So yeah, it's coming to life. Yes.
No, I was just wondering because I don't want you walking around with the orange wristband.
Oh,
okay. Yeah.
Okay, so let the games begin.
Hey, hey, hey. We're at the As I Am stand.
Yeah. Oh, this looks yummy.
I was smelling it out.
I know. Nice.
We're gonna eat some of it. We're gonna eat some of it.
Trust me to do. But it's only that there's gonna be people coughing and stuff.
Hey?
People coughing and sneezing and flu. Nah.
No, we're not gonna eat it. We're not gonna
No.
eat it. I could think of it like this.
Yeah. So let me show you guys the product. You remember when I told you guys about, oh god, the music is gonna get me into trouble. The hydration elation that she used for my deep conditioning. This product is heavenly. Like the hydration is still on. Like I can feel it on my hair still. Yeah, you can see my hair is still shining.
I can see it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think it got some hydration. She used the smoothing gel on my edges, so that should be interesting. I can't wait to see what it looks like. And the curling jelly, this is more for putting it on the tree styles. Like on the hair itself, not on the edge.
Definition?
For definition, yeah.
Definition on coily hair.
Coily hair. And the other one,
Like on your type 3 hair.
and the double buttercream.
The double buttercream is for moisture.
Moisture and
double moisture.
yeah.
Just to layer it in. And then this is what
But the wait, isn't this coil and this curl
So coil defining is
It's
to
for-
define coil
for
coil definition. So you can use that for your flexi rolls on coily hair. So that's like as a styler.
yeah, as a styler.
This is an immediate
Yeah.
curling jelly. It's your wash and go type of product.
Okay. Thank you. There we go.
And then twist and defining cream.
Yeah.
That's what I used on your battery.
Yeah. So I can't wait to see what it comes out as.
And define.
And then so much moisture. I don't
Did we
think.
use so much moisture?
No,
here?
we didn't use so much moisture on my
So
hair.
much moisture is if your hair
hydration
is dry,
lotion.
You've got fine textured hair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then moisture
We used
milk.
the moisture milk.
Yes, we did use the moisture milk. Wait, it's not. There we go.
Moisture milk
Nice.
infuses a lot of oils and moisture at the same time.
Oils and moisture at the same time. And then, ow. Cleansing pudding. This is what we used on my hair, so we don't have to strip because my hair wasn't dirty. So,
Not at all.
hey, can we get serious?
Cleanses and moisturizes your hair.
Is that like what do you want? What do you want from life? What do you want?
It doesn't want to zoom in. I
No.
think it's feeling like
There we
too
go.
close.
There we go. So that's what we used on my hair and washed it, and my hair was moisturizing. So this was because my hair was also dry. So it adds a bit more moisture to the hair.
Moisture, repairs, clarifies.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's about what we used.
Okay.
So yeah, guys, that's
We
pretty
used
much
a
the
little bit
product.
of the detangling conditioner as well.
To detangle, of course.
Yes, to detangle
Yeah.
your hair.
Okay. There we go. Yeah. Thank you. So we're about to start, and we're about to count down like time for before people can come in. But look at what Shumela's doing.
We can see you.
Look at her hair. I'm gonna touch her hair once again. Look at that spring, guys. Amazing. Her hair looks beautiful. Gosh, I can't wait to see the end product. I think your hair is just gonna be like, it's gonna be so nice.
It's my first time drinking cereal.
Is it? Oh, first time doing bunty knots. First time for everything.
Exciting.
So beautiful. You see how Tumela is doing it so gently. Like she's not tugging and pulling. She's doing it. Your face is stealing the show, so now you can't focus on your hair. So Tumela is doing it so gently. Let me show you guys what she's doing. So she's doing it so nice and gently. Wow, like her curls are so juicy. Yeah. Wow, that looks nice. I can't wait to show you guys the end products.
Are you gonna take out everything or are you
When I grow old, when I grow old, I wanna be just like you,
Okay guys, so we are about to start. I'm about to get to business, so I'm not gonna vlog until I get time. But yeah, look at what Tumelo's doing. What are you doing now?
Tying her hair up because she's gonna do an updo that's curly at the back and with a fringe in front.
Okay.
Yeah, like a poofy updo.
Okay.
I'm gonna actually open these curls.
Ah.
Yep.
Looks nice. I like the flat twist on the side. I don't know if you can see. Looks very
I mean,
nice.
let's stay away from heat as well. Have you stopped blow drying your hair? Stop myself. By yourself. And then what type of brushes are you using?
Okay guys, so I need to put the camera down and get to work. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but I need to stop vlogging and get to work. If I get time, I'm gonna show you guys like when it gets full and stuff. So I just wanna show you what it looks like when it's empty, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's full. So right now it's empty. Show you in a few minutes. They should have opened the doors now, but I'll show you in a few minutes when it's actually like really cool. So yeah guys.
These ones, right? Okay. And when you open them, you gently open them. Okay. You don't pull. Oh. So when you pull, you're taking out the pull. Okay. Okay. Open it now. Very gently. Oh. And then look at this one. So this one was settled already, right? Okay. So you literally almost have to pull it out. Okay. And then you pull it out. Okay. Can you see? Okay. So I'm still using very little tension. Okay. And then when you open it, you almost twist it the opposite direction. Unravel it again. And then you do that. Okay. Okay. Can you see? Okay. Okay. You can try and undo one on the other side. Okay. Let's try.
you got up on your side all day and night. Someone to care so strong.